Everybody, today we're going to be doing a Skylanders Trap Team unboxing. This is going to be awesome. Fourth game in the series. I have all three of them. It comes with Snapshot, Food Fight, there's Trap Master, there's Ordinary Skylander, then there's the Traptanium Portal, then here's the Water Trap, and the Life Trap. Then it also comes with, let me find it, the video game, the character poster, the Traptanium Portal, the Trap Collection Tray, 2 traps, 2 Skylanders, and let's get to it. Okay. Where should I start? Let's start here. Okay, I'll be back when I get a knife. Okay, and we're back. Maybe I should start here. Got it. Okay. Well, here it is. Okay. Now let's get out the... Oh, where's the stuff? Oh, there's the Trap Collection Tray. Here is the game itself. Okay. Oh, we got that. Let's get the portal out. Here it is. Nice crystal clear. Okay. And this is obviously where you put the traps in. And then let's get Snapshot out. Here it is. Snapshot himself. Okay, that's him. And then let's get out Food Fight. The one and only tomato gun guy. Here he is. Wait, there we go. Okay, now here's the traps. Ah, man, it's so hard to get out. Oh, there he is, the Life Trap. And it fits perfectly, yay! Yay! Here is the Water Trap. And that is almost it. Here are the traps. And I don't know where the poster is. Oh, here's some stuff they have hidden. Let me get it. I will be doing some more Hunger Game videos later on. Might be doing a Trap Team gameplay, but not today. Because it's kind of night here in America. Okay, I'm sorry I'm not giving away the codes. I know. Okay, well, maybe I will. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, actually, it's going to be a contest of the first 10 likers. Well, first 2 likers, I meant. And... okay, so Snapshot, here, he has 100 attack, 100 defense, 180 speed, and 120 elemental power. And Food Fight, he is 60 attack, 60 defense, 80 speed, 140 elemental power. So that's pretty good. And here it is. Now if we were so to chop Sheep Creep, because I know he's one of the first. You would do that. See? Wait. There you go. So the tech elements that are the villains are Dr. Crankcase, Bruiser Cruiser, Shred Knot, Walrus, Trolling Thunder, Mad Lobs, Water, Threat Pack, Cross Crow, Brawl and Chain, Chill Bill, Slobber Trap, Gulper, Sheep Creep for the life, Chompy Mage, Broccoli. Okay, I'm not going to do that. And here It is the actual game. On the back it says, chaos has blown up the walls of the feared Cloudcracker prison, freeing the most noxious villains in Skylanders. It is up to you and Skylanders, young Portal Master, to find and capture them, using Traptanium, a magic material that can harness the power of the elements. You have the amazing ability to trap the villains and return them to Skylands to fight for you. Begin the ultimate adventure as you explore Skylands in search of the escaped villains. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And have a fantastic day. And yes, I got that from Wet Swinger. And see you later, alligators. Bye!